Hi everyone, welcome back to Physio and Pilates. Today I'm going to show you some simple tips to help you get rid of tension in your neck and your upper back. So if you're an office worker or just at the moment are slumping too much and you're just having this position, it just is going to build up a lot of tension and unnecessary pain that you don't need. So to begin with, all you need is a wall, okay? So I want you to put your bum against the wall, upper back against the wall, looking nice and straight. Arms, we're going to make a snow angel. So I want your palms facing forward and we're just going to make a snow angel. Keep the upper back against the wall when you're doing this because it's so easy to bring the chest out. We don't want the chest out, we want the back against the wall, and I want you just to make small little snow angels. Once you've just done a few, I want you to bring your arms up and go into 90 degrees at the elbows. This position, you'll feel your chest stretching nicely. It's a great one to do, but just make sure you're breathing in. You're only doing what you can do. If you feel like your elbows aren't even touching the wall, just go as far as you can go. This is a nice one because you're resting your back as well, at the same time just moving. But I want you to do about 6 reps. So you're doing 6 times the snow angel, nice and controlled, and then 6 times just moving the elbows 90 degrees up and down, just about 6 times, just to get those chest muscles nice and open. Once you've done that, just give yourself a nice little pat on the back, just get the blood circulating. Now that's one way to open up your chest and counteract all the bad posture. Next I'm going to show you is my secret weapon, a tennis ball. Some of my clients find it's a bit too soft, so if it is, grab something harder, cricket ball. If it is a bit too hard as well, you can even go a little bit softer and you can get a nice little softball. But I want you to place it on the muscles in between your shoulder blade, not on the vertebra, but the muscles itself. I want you to place it in between the wall and your shoulder blades, having the feet a bit further away, and I want you just to bend the knees and straighten. By doing that, the ball's going up and down the shoulder blades, and it's just finding your knot. So once you find it, I want you to pick something out that you think, yeah, and you'll know when you hit a knot. Then I want you to put your right hand on your left shoulder and move the body into the ball. You can either go up and down pulsing with the knees, just so that you're playing with the knot. And we're doing this about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, depending on what your body can do. And then you can also just push it in exactly where you feel your knots. If this is making you feel unwell or too much discomfort, please stop, do something else. This is a really nice way just to calm the muscles down. We don't do it for an hour though, okay? Just about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Once you've done the right side, please do your left side as well. Now I'm going to show you a muscle that always gets tight. And if your neck and shoulders have been working quite hard, you do find your shoulders going up, this muscle will be tight. So with your left hand, I want you just to squeeze above the shoulder. And of course, when you're squeezing, that's your muscle. That's your upper traps. So I want you to squeeze it and find a tight point that you think, yeah, that's my tight point. So I don't want you pushing it in with your fingers. I don't want you pushing with your fingers. That's just going to hurt your fingers. You're not used to it. But I want you to grab the ball and literally just press into that area. Once you find it, about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, an added bonus is you're just going to look at your left armpit and then bring it back up. Just so we're stretching that muscle, but don't lose the pressure on the muscle itself. Once you've done that, just go a little bit more to the right. And if you feel like it's a bit tight, you can always press a little bit more. Right side and your left side, of course. Now, I'm going to show you a very easy trick. If you are a person that suffers with cervicogenic headaches, or any headaches that are coming from above here, and that always feel a bit heavy all the way onto your neck, so the headaches that from your forehead all the way onto the neck, you're just going to grab yourself a tea towel. If you don't have a tea towel, you can always use a jumper, but I want the rim of it. Now, behind your neck, the skull, you've got your C1 and then you've got your C2 right underneath it. Usually when we have a headache that comes from above here, that area can get squished together and just get compressed slightly. Nothing bad, but it's just if we're having the chin tucked in, you're putting pressure on this area and that's just hurting and causing a headache, just to tell you something's happening. Little warning sign. So you're going to put the towel, tea towel, along this area. And don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. You can always just try going up and down and see where you feel it. Like, you'll know when it's the point. And you're just going to push into it. Once you've got it, you're going to put your hands onto it and push towards your eyes, because your vertebrae, they all go that angle towards your eyes. So we're going to go and put the hands onto your cheekbones and push your towel towards your eyes. Once you've got this, I want you just to bring your head all the way up and then all the way down. Just to get those muscles relaxing and putting the bones off each other. You'll feel natural relief just by pushing your head this way, and it's a great way just to build up less of a tension on that nerve of yours. I recommend just doing 6 or 7 reps. Don't overdo it, but if you are suffering from a headache and this doesn't work, of course try other things. Maybe go to your doctors just to see what else is happening. But this is only for headaches that are coming, that you can feel above your eyes and going towards your head. Cervicogenic. Now, I'm going to show you a few things that can open your chest from the floor. So let's get you on the floor. So I'm going to grab my big, large foam roller. I'm going to place it in the middle of my Pilates mat. I'm going to sit on the edge. If you want to know more about the foam roller, do check out my videos on foam rolling part 1 and part 2. They're all fun. They're all fun to open up the body. So we're just going to lay on it, and then with the head, you can either have the head on your foam roller, or sometimes I like having it on my small Pilates ball. So it depends what you have, it's just a bit more comfortable for me. Now with the arms, what I would like you to do is just have them out to the side. Can you tell the chest, it's stretching all the chest muscles, and this is such a nice one just to open it all up. But when you just take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. To make it a little bit harder, just grab water bottles or just a little bit of a weight, just so you can place it on your hand so you can go even further. Now I've got my elbows 90 degrees. I'm just going to open them up for a Y position. Just think YMCA. Make sure as well when you're on the foam roller that you're comfortable in your back. If you feel a bit wobbly, just do it one-handed. Just put your left hand on the ground and then just grab that right hand and just bring it back. I want you safe. I want you to feel comfortable. But again, like I said, if you feel you don't have a foam roller, you can use a gym ball. Gym balls are always nice like this as well. Or even go on the sofa and using your sofa where you have your hand, your armrest. Just going backwards just feels amazing. Now, I'm just going to come off my foam roller and I'm just going to lay with my ball behind me. And what I'm going to do is teach my neck how to get a little bit stronger by using the deep neck flexors. So with my chin, I'm pushing my chin down to the ground just by putting pressure onto the ball, by giving it a little bit of a gentle nod. And that's just stretching the base of my neck, getting it stronger. Now, if you don't have a ball, that's fine. You can always do it without it, but you're putting your chin and pushing it literally backwards, relaxing the shoulders into the ground just to get those muscles stronger. You can even do it in sitting. Now, because I've mentioned this before, people tend to do that and it weakens the muscles of your neck. So that's why we're just putting your finger on your chin and you're just pushing it backwards so that it's getting that motion. It's just lengthening up. I want double chins here. So again, just to show you from the side, we're literally just putting that chin up, pushing your face backwards. I sometimes call it the chicken dance, just because it's just the chicken moving it nice and controlled, but it's just moving it and getting this much more stronger. Now you don't have to do this for an hour or anything, don't worry. But if you just do 5-6 repetitions every day before you go to bed, it just builds up neck muscles. So if you are unfortunately an office worker, or if you tend to just slump naturally, just building up the neck muscles will make a big difference. Because if you have no muscles, it will just relax. If you have muscles, it keeps you nice and strong. But try these little simple tricks out. Let me know how you get on. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, as I said, with the foam roller, I've got videos, part 1, part 2, how to use it. But have fun. Let me know how you get on.